everyone, welcome to the channel Improvopedia and welcome to yet another video. This is a study vlog again. So if you guys are wondering why I was not uploading in in every 3 to 4 days, the reason behind it is that I was consistent over the shorts content. So I was posting the shorts every day, like it was consistent, and the views are going okay. Like I did not expect much, but the views are going okay. So if you haven't checked out the recent short on how to prepare for English board exams, so go check it out. It will be really helpful to you guys. Now I have to prepare for my second exam, that is on 13th of Feb, because it's the very next day of 12th. So I have completed the first 50% portion for the first exam, so of course I had to move to the second exam also because it's the very next day. So yeah, let's get started. So if you have been watching my last 2 to 3 study vlogs, you might be knowing that I have been preparing for my semester end exam, that is from 12th of February, of course. So I have been preparing for my second exam, that is cross-cultural management. And if you guys don't know, this subject gives an exposure to the diverse management styles that are across the globe, and also it imparts the understanding of different approaches between each management style. So this is a very interesting subject to focus on. I really look after the subject very much. If you guys are new to this video, you should know that active reading really works, and especially for me, it helps me to understand the chapter better, and also helps me to retain things till a long time. Like it stays in my head till the exam ends. It helps for me. Another thing that works for me is underlining or using highlighter. I don't usually prefer using highlighters because I feel that it makes my book messy. So I use a pencil or a pen, or I just make a star over the important things. Then next thing I do is I either take notes for the difficult content or the difficult headings, summarizing the key points, concepts and definition in my own way, so that it helps me to type better in my exams as well. After a long time that I came out of my house to go for an evening walk. I usually stay at home, and today when I came out, I saw this beautiful sunset and this building getting constructed. Actually 9 buildings are getting constructed at the same time, so I feel like it looks very beautiful in the evening when the light blows up. I'm really waiting for the day when it all gets constructed and finished together. It will really look very beautiful. So we had our dinner at around 11:30 or 11:15 at night. I was craving to eat something sweet, so I had this oats. So I prepared myself this oats kheer. I'm not really a big fan of oats actually, but because I was craving something sweet, so I made this quick oats kheer for myself. I also garnished some almonds on it, and it added to the flavor, of course. If you haven't tried this, guys, go ahead. After settling down my craving to eat something sweet, I sat back to study, and I guess I studied for about 40 to 45 minutes because I was losing my patience, of course, because I had to transfer my videos to edit it the next day, which I'm doing it now. So I studied till 40 to 45 minutes, and then I quickly transferred the videos and went back to sleep. So this was it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching the entire video. I hope you liked the video. So hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon, and until next time, bye.